I've got the oh-so, feeling 'cause my sweet is gone. I mean, I've got it bad. I've tried to make believe that I'm not sad, not a single soul to cheer me, and I'm so forlorn. No one to hear my cries and sympathize. Nobody knows but my pillow and me. Nobody knows half the troubles I see. It's my delusion. Life is not a sweet song. It's my conclusion that the whole entire world is wrong times when I'm smiling, when I ought to be sighing, should be crying for a little bit of sympathy. Lonesome me, I'm trying to make them believe everything is satisfying. Oh, nobody knows but my pillow and me. Nobody knows but my pillow and me. Nobody knows half the troubles I see. It's my delusion. Life is not a sweet song. It's my conclusion that the whole entire world is wrong times when I'm smiling, when I ought to be sighing, should be crying for a little bit of sympathy. Lonesome me, I'm trying to make them believe everything is satisfying. Oh, nobody knows but my pillow and me.
Every Thursday night at our house we have noodle soup for dinner, and it's just the kind that Mother makes. It sure is some prize winner. Then we all stand round the table while Father gives his blessing. It's bound to keep you guessing when Father takes the dipper and finds the baby's slipper in the bottom of the pot. What is true? 'Tis true. We all sit up and sup. How we all would sit and listen when Father ate his soup. That's the noodle soup rag. Father, don't forget your manners. Ain't you's got no bringings up? How the old folks would enjoy it. They would sit all night and listen, and the fun would never lag. And we all would sit and listen when Father ate his soup. That's the noodle soup rag. We had company for dinner. They were friends of Sister Carrie's. There was Uncle Joe and old Aunt Kate and dear old Cousin Harry. They had just came from the country. They had never seen the city. It really was a pity. They had no table manners. They used their forks for hammers and their knives for eating peas. Oh, please, 'tis well, 'tis well. It sounded like a bell. How we all would sit and listen when Father ate his soup. That's the noodle soup rag. Father, don't forget your manners. Ain't you's got no bringings up? How the old folks would enjoy it. They would sit all night and listen, and the fun would never lag. And we always sit to listen when Father ate his soup. That's the noodle soup rag.